Hey besties, it is that time of the month again. It is time for us to have a debt-free journey payoff update. This is June's payment. If that's something that you're here for, then go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. And if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, whoever you are, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you get plugged in. All right guys, so this is going to be a really quick check-in. Usually I do a pretty extensive one, but for today it's gonna be a little bit quicker because in this month, a couple of videos from now, I will be doing a full 6-month review of how much debt I have paid off for the first half of the year. And I'm super excited because I have had to kind of regain focus on the debt-free journey. So I'm sure some of us all have, but I am using my debt-free journey workbook. This is a workbook that I do offer, and you can find it linked down below. This workbook has definitely kept me excited and motivated to make my monthly payments. So usually also what I do is I kind of review my debt payoff plan, and I review kind of the reasons why I want to pay off debt and things, because this part is very important when it comes to you know, there that goes. I didn't even know that was in there. Yeah, this part is very important when it comes to paying off debt and keeping you motivated and making sure that you work your plan. So let's dive in. Why do I want to pay off debt? I want to increase my credit score. I'm ready to start my homework projects again, and I don't want to have a million bills. And I want money to do the things that I love, and debt unfortunately prevents us from doing that. And I do want to purchase more real estate in the future. So what method am I using? I'm using the debt snowball and the debt priority methods to pay off debt. And then I'm also using my side hustle and my 9-to-5 income to pay off debt. And then I'm making my debt payments on the last day of the month. That's any additional payments that I'm making. And then I thought it was going to take me 6 months to pay off debt, but I said maybe a year. Hopefully I'll be done in October paying off debt. We will see. So next is the debt overview page, and we can see that I do have 4 debts left. This is for phase 1. I have my personal taxes, which I am looking to pay off right now. The minimum payment for this is $100. I started out with a total balance of $2,877.74. If you can hear this trash day, and the trash guy is here. So I'm hoping that you can't hear that noise. The taxes, this is my supplemental taxes. $69.15.19 is what I started with when I started my journey, and the minimum payment per month is $192.10. And then my 401k loan, I have 2 loans out right now where I'm paying myself back. 401k loan number 1 at 7.25% is $5,171.60. Minimum payment $55.09 per paycheck. So if I'm paid twice a month, then just double that. And then 401k loan number 2 at 9.25%, $4,979.93, and the minimum payment is $49.43 per paycheck. So double that for the month. And if I am paid 3 times a month, then triple that. Now I will be coming back to this at the end of us updating the tracker. So these are my trackers. So I'll just save that for the 6-month update. So here for the supplemental taxes, I did pay this, of course. This is June's payment. Let me get another pen and get this one that I like better. So for the month of June, there was a payment made of $192.10. Usually I make the $200, but this time I just made the $192.10. and this is at a 0% interest rate. See, so we started out at $6,915.19, and with June's payment, I am now at 5168.54 minus 192.10. Yay, we finally done made it to the 4,000. So right now I'm at $4,976.44. And for personal taxes, my minimum payment was $50. Now it's $100. And so June's payment was $100. So that would be $2,377.74. Now, just FYI, this balance is, it's an estimate because there is, as you can see on this page, there is actually an interest rate on this is 7%. So I plan on paying this one off real quick. This one is about to be out of here, so just know we about to pay this off and move on. Okay, so that is the two debts there. And then the next debt here is the 401k loan number 1, and June's payment was the same, $98.86. I did not make any additional payments outside of the minimum payment there, and do the calculations. So now the balance here is $4,163.40. And then for 401k loan 2, made a payment of $110.18. And if I take the balance here, so it's $4,193.25. And that is it. So now I'm just at $4,000 for 3 of my debts, and then $2,000 for the personal debt. So let me see if I am able to highlight anything. So for the personal taxes, $23.77. I'm almost at 20% paid off. I would need to be at $23.02.19 in order to highlight this. So the next update that I have, I should be able to do some highlighting. For the supplemental taxes, this is $49.76. I'm almost 30% paid off in the supplemental taxes. And then 401k loan 1, $41.63, not quite there yet. And then 401k loan 2, $41.93.25. Yeah, so I'm almost 20% paid off on 401k loan number 2. So it is time to really crank up the heat and get this paid off. But I did want to make an update as it relates to what my June payment was. So now I am going to subtract how much debt. So I was at, or first I need to add how much debt I paid. So I paid $192.10 plus 100 plus 98.96 plus 110.18. So $501.24 in debt or paid this month, and to subtract 16,144.21, and that is, we are at $15,642.92. Look at that, we are chipping away at this debt. And so I'm gonna complete this part out on Instagram, because I do like to have content for Instagram. So just know, if you follow me there, you'll see the update but this will already be completed when I do my 6-month update for 2024. Once again, if you are interested in this workbook, it will be linked down below. It is a digital version, so you'll be able to print it out and make it your own. That's why I absolutely love digital versions, because it really just makes it your own. And that is really pretty much everything for the June's debt payment. Just FYI, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next couple of days, because I will be doing an extensive 6-month update for you to be able to see how much debt we started out in the beginning of the year, how much I've paid for the whole 6 months. I think it's going to be really encouraging and exciting. I'm super excited to do it. So make sure you guys tune in for that. That's why I didn't want this month to be super, or this video for June's update to be super intense, because the intense one will be on the next video. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Check out the whole debt-free series. It will be linked at the end if you're looking to start your debt-free journey, or if you want to encourage someone to start theirs and start with you. I'm super excited for 2024, the rest of it. I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.